And today we are over here at Disney's Typhoon Lagoon water park, aka Disney's best water park, if you've asked me, to hang out over here, do some rides, hang out in the wave pool, do some lazy river, and just overall have a really fun time. So if you haven't done so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and welcome back over here to Typhoon Lagoon's water park. I think what's pretty crazy is they now have these premium space check-ins and inquiries, including the beach bomber shacks, the semi-covered lounge chairs, and all the umbrellas, considering Typhoon is reopened. But what's also crazy is the fact that Typhoon Lagoon and Blizzard Beach are officially reopened, and it's the first time that both water parks have been reopened together at the same time for the same summer time frame since I think pre-COVID, honestly. So, but if you are going to be doing one of those cabanas or semi-covered loungers, you actually just head up in here and hit check in, which kind of sucks. So they take away one of the best views of Typhoon Lagoon, if you ask me. And as usual, one of the best water parks has one of the best wave pools, considering that wave pool over behind us. It's pretty insane. So, but I am kind of excited because I could do all the rides again, do the wave pool, and what's kind of nice is that it's not extremely sunny today like it has been in years past whenever we come. So, kind of works out really well for us, if you ask me. Look at all the fun little stuff they have out and stuff. All the Connect 4, and look at the little towel animal Mickey, the little Mickey glasses on, and they got a little basketball court thing going as well. Tips for looking for a chair. And then of course you have Singapore Sales, which is their like big area you can actually like do merchandise and things. So we'll come check this out after we go play in the water. You know what's crazy is that for the amount of years that we've been coming to Typhoon Lagoon and stuff, they've always, if you wanted a towel, you had to rent one through them. And I think now they've officially changed it to where anyone can just get a towel and stuff. So like, we brought our towels because we're so accustomed to like bringing our own towels. But it's kind of nice actually to see that they actually do provide towels again, considering you are still paying quite a lot to get into these parks for the water parks and stuff. But I don't know if that's just because of the Cool Kids Summer thing or if that's the new rule, but let's see once Cool Kids Summer is officially over. So if you're interested, they do have some breakfast specials as well. So like right here, they've got a breakfast croissant sandwich, a cheese omelet with bacon served on a fresh croissant. That actually sounds actually really good. But then of course you walk up and you walk over the little bridge right here, takes you right over the lazy river, which this is the best of the two lazy rivers. Especially those little floats, this float right here, this type of float, those are the best because you can kind of sit up and you're not like falling in like you would with a regular tube. And then of course you come over here and you come over to the main pool area, main wave pool space, and of course we got Miss Tilly and the giant wave pool. So we'll be definitely doing that here in a little bit. So we're just trying to find a place to sit so that we can put our stuff down. Plus I did bring the GoPro, so you guys will be going on all the slides with us today. All right, time to put you guys onto the GoPro because we are going to be starting heading into the water and starting to do stuff. Right now, the waves are doing just the little bobby waves, but not quite the big wave yet. But we're definitely going to be in there for the big wave, and then circle around trying to see if we can do some of the slides and everything. Definitely a little cooler than I was expecting it to be. I mean, it's nice because like how hot it has been and how it will be, but I'm kind of hoping that because of the cloud coverage, it won't be horribly sunny or horribly hot today, but it also means that the water is going to be extra cold. So like right now it is very cold, which is fine. But yeah, you can see they're already doing the bobbing waves right now because it's kind of that really little break they got in between all of the big destroy and like pound in between the ground waves. I think one of the other things to do is that if you are able to bring yourself snacks to Typhoon Lagoon, because you can actually bring a small cooler and stuff. They do check and make sure you don't have like alcohol or something, but like for us we were able to bring in
and loose ice. You can't have like loose ice.
And loose ice. So like you can't go get like if you get a bag of ice and then pour it over it, you can't have it. So like reusable like ice trays are actually really huge benefit to use. So like for us, like we brought like our own like sodas and stuff. We brought like healthier snacks, like I have peanuts, you know, like string cheese and stuff. So it's actually a good thing to probably bring with you if you're able to. Now if you're staying on property, you may not have that ability to because you don't have that, but you can bring snacks. So like you can buy some snacks before you get here and bring those into the park, so you don't have to worry about paying for the overpriced food that is at the Disney parks. Oh, picking up speed, picking up speed. Ah! Oh! I'm going right over to Disney's Coronado Springs, where we're actually staying for a couple nights, but we're actually going over and getting some food over at Chili's. So it is for sure nice to do that. I just like the fact that like now that they do offer the towels for free now, that's actually kind of nice because that means we don't have to carry like I've got my towel that I've got brought with me and everything. So I was going to look a little more at Singapore sales at the merchandise, but Kayla needs her stuff, so I need to go get that for her. Well, before I headed out, look at this interesting like bag. Here comes Big Trouble, and it's stitched with the Astral Orbiter and everything. It's like a Godzilla style. It's a very stitch heavy park. Look, they're stitching Angel bags. You got Chillin', Water Flutin', Faux Dry bag. Man, Stitch is a very popular character here at this park. Oh look, and he's meeting right over there. Well, actually he was meeting, now he's leaving. It was funny because when I first came in today, you couldn't come up here because this is where you did all the check-in for the premium cabanas, the sunshades, the umbrellas. So if I'm good, I'll go out and try to see if I can find the pricing for all of those. So if you are interested, I think you can actually even pre-reserve those as well. And kind of in us normal fashion. We're not going to be here super long, and like we actually are, like I said, we already changed. I was even able to go back to the car and get my hat because Kayla needed her change of clothes, but I definitely do want to come back to H2O Glow Nights, which is the specialty nighttime event they do offer here at Typhoon Lagoon, because that is so cool because it's night. They have special characters out. They have a DJ. They have, you know, all sorts of fun things that come with it. So we think at some point we do want to try to come out and do that at some point. If you are, however, in need of a locker or any of that nature, they're going to be over here right past the gift shop off to the right, and you can come over here and rent them right here. And so if you need one, like I used to, whenever I used to come, always needed one just because like I didn't save a seat before, but now we do because of the fact that we do stay here a little bit longer. So what I do love is the mini donuts. The mini donuts right here, these are always so stinking good. Like they're fresh, and then like they get powdered sugar on them. Then you can always buy a dipping sauce to go with it. That is always the best place to get like anything snack-wise after you've been playing in the water all day. And I always do like this map right here at the very front because it gives you every bit of information you can get. So it's got the main map of everything, but what it does tell you is all the different attractions, everything else, that like the heights and everything, where it is, what you need to do. Then you have today's surf report, which is like the wait time. So when it is busier here, they can come over here and actually change the wait times. Now, most everything is always going to be less than 15 minutes. And honestly, I don't think I've ever been here when I've seen anything more than 15 minutes for some of the rides. The only one that usually gets longer 15 is Mist Adventure Falls, but that's because that's the popular one here. And then they also have all the dining stuff here as well. It tells you what time everything opens, how long it's open till, what each one of them has. So it's a nice little like thing to be able to come over and check it out. And then they do have the legend and the merchandise where everything is. Alrighty, so we are going to go ahead and call it from our trip out here to Disney's Typhoon Lagoon water park, mostly because our room is ready, but also we want to go over and get some food over from Chili's. But overall, like I said, even though it wasn't a very long trip out here and we didn't like do any eating or anything else, it still was a very, very nice trip to come out, hang out in the wave pool, do the lazy river for a little bit, do a few rides. It was a nice little way to break it up while we waited for our room to be ready over at Coronado Springs. So if you guys have been to Disney's Typhoon Lagoon Park, what is your favorite things here? And with all that being said though, as we do head out from a very fun time hanging out, splashing around, we will see y'all on the next video.